Are you planning a move to Central Arkansas but not sure how to buy a home from hundreds of miles away? Well, you're in the right place because out-of-state buyers successfully purchase homes in the Little Rock Metroplex every single week. And I've helped a ton of them buy them remotely. So here's what most people don't know. You don't have to actually set foot here in Arkansas before you close on your new home. Or even at closing. That's not a workaround. It's how a growing number of relocators, especially from places like Texas or California, the East Coast, are all making the move here. But there's a right way to do it. So let me walk you through that. The first thing you need to do this before you look at a single listing. And that is get crystal clear on the community or neighborhood in which that you want to live. Central Arkansas is not one market. It's Maumelle, it's North Little Rock, it's Sherwood, it's Cabot, it's Bryant, and each has its own feel, its own multiple different price points within those communities, a commute profile, a lifestyle. So you need to really research several of these communities that genuinely fit your life before you ever start pulling up Zillow or the like. Step 2 is to go ahead and get pre-approved with an Arkansas licensed lender before anything else. It could be your lender where you are, but they need to be licensed here in a good market where Maumelle, Bryant, Cabot, those move fast. And a pre-approval letter isn't paperwork. It's what you have to be able to actually make an offer. And next is probably the most important piece, and that's your agent. This is where most of out-of-state buyers can make their biggest mistake. They look through Zillow, they click here, they click there, they find a house they like, and they call whatever agent is attached to that listing on that particular platform. May not even be a listing agent. Don't do that. You need a buyer's agent who knows, this market deeply, communicates proactively, and has real experience with relocation and out-of-state buyers. They become your eyes and ears on the ground, previewing homes in person, flagging the busy road behind the backyard, telling you what the listing photos don't show. They're the ones that are on that video call with you as you're doing a walkthrough of each property. Technology really has genuinely transformed this process. For any home you're seriously considering, you do a live FaceTime or Zoom walkthrough. We have a lot of 3D Matterport virtual tours. You can literally sign offers, negotiate, and close all electronically. And a lot of times in Arkansas transactions, out-of-state buyers close remotely, really without ever physically being present. And that's okay. You need to be working on your sale there and getting your move ready. That said, if your schedule and your budget allows for an in-person visit, it's worth it. Come here, let us drive you through the communities, experience the commute, feel the neighborhoods, go to some neighborhood events. Even a one-day trip will change how you see and make your decision. If you can't get here before the contract, plan your visit during the inspection period. Same kind of thing. You get to see the house, walk through, etc. If you're thinking about making the move to Central Arkansas, I want to help you build a smart, really low-stress plan. So text me, 501-804-9942. Visit our website at ar-property.com, and let's walk you through your situation and get you moving in this right direction. We can help here at Arkansas Property. We help people make smart moves. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.